When I'm 8 years old, we went to a function in Telangana. As soon as I entered, I observed everyone was sweating while eating and feeling spicy. Even though the mutton curry is spicy, they were not stopping eating. The curry was so delicious. This time we recreated the curry with the same process but with little less spicy. Get ready with all the ingredients and 1 kilo washed mutton. The one big onion is chopped into fine thin slices. Six cloves, 4 cardamoms, 1 stick of cinnamon and 1 bay leaf. 2 tablespoons of garlic and ginger paste. Marinate the mutton first. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. Add 2 tablespoons of garlic and ginger paste. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix with. Once done, keep it aside at least for 30 minutes. Take a frying pan. Fry the ingredients one by one. First, add coconut. Fry until you see a little brown color. Add cashews to it and fry until they turn brown color. Add chilies, cloves, cardamom, cinnamon and bay leaves. Add coriander seeds and cumin seeds as well. Fry for 5 minutes. A nice aroma of spices spreads in entire kitchen. At last, add curry leaves. Fry until you see the leaves are getting dry. Now blend together by adding some water into fine paste. Take a cooker and add 3 big tablespoons of oil and chopped 1 big onion. Fry until it turns to light brown color. Now add marinated mutton or goat meat. Cook on high flame for 5 minutes and turn the stove to medium. Cover the lid and try to stir it for every 2 minutes. You have to cook it until it releases the water. Once the water gets separated, add the spice mixture paste to it. Mix well for 2 minutes on high flame. Now add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder or skip as per your spiciness. Mix well. We have added food color. It is very optional to you. You can skip it. Now mix well. And add 1 big tomato puree to it. I'm sorry I missed it while showing all the ingredients to you. Mix well on high flame and add the water that is left over in the marinated bowl, and to that you have to add 4 to 5 glasses of water. Add salt as per your taste if it is required. Mix well and cover the cooker with the lid and cook it for up to 8 to 10 whistles. First whistle should be on high flame and the rest of the whistle should be on medium flame. Now open the lid and add fistful of chopped coriander leaves. Serve with white rice. Thank you. Like and please subscribe to my channel for more new recipes.